Hey guys, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy and I'm here with Miss Aria today. Say hi.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing a really cute and fun hairstyle. I'm going to call it the Shoelace Pony. So for this look, we're going to start with hair in a high ponytail. And I am going to dampen her hair because it is dry, and this one does do better on damp or wet hair. You could do this one right when you got out of the shower. And I'm just going to brush that through. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm going to start by reaching under almost from the middle of the ponytail underneath and taking a small strand of hair. Then I'm going to get another small strand from the middle on the other side. Now I have my two strands and I'm going to tie it like I was tying a shoelace. I'm actually going to dampen it a little more first, because it's still a little frizzy. Get it a little more wet. There we go. And then you're just going to pull it down just like you were tying a shoelace. Then I'm going to take a little clip like this. You can use any kind of little clip. And I'm just going to put it here to hold that in place while we go on to the next strand of hair. Now reaching back behind the ponytail again, I'm going to take another small strand on the right side and then another small strand on the left side. Wet it a little more. And then tie it just like a shoelace. And then when you have that done, you just move the clips down. And you're just going to continue these steps down the length of the ponytail, or as far down as you like to go. Okay, so I've done about 5 knots, and that's all I'm going to do in this one. Now I'm just going to secure it on the bottom with a small elastic and comb through the ends. And here you have another fun take on a regular ponytail. Okay, so that's the finished style. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and show us some love. Click subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we upload more videos in the future. And just a reminder to go check out our other channel that we just started, ASK Beauty and More, and subscribe while you're there. Let us know that you came there from Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. And that's it for today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.